In this lesson, you can learn how to speak English. I made this for speaking and for beginners. Okay, I am and mean exactly the same thing. The second is a contraction of the first. Contractions are common in English. Okay? I am. I am. He is. He is. She is. She is. It is. It is. This is. This is. That is. That is. Constructions. His. His. She's. She's. It's. It's. This is. This is. That. That. Say it 10 times. You should say it 10 times. I am. He is his. She is she's. It is its. This is this is. That is that. Okay? Pause it and say it 10 times. His, she's, its, this is, that. Here is a picture. Cute. What can you see in the picture? The picture. I can see a cat. I can see a cat. A cat. A cat. There is a cat. There's a cat. There is, there's. There's a cat in the picture. In the picture. One more thing. What is this? What's this? This is. This is a dog. A dog. Oof, oof, a dog. A dog. A baby dog is a puppy. A puppy. A baby dog is a puppy. They are animal. No. Animals. They are animals. Animals. No. It's different. Okay? What kind of animals do you like? What kind of animals do you like? What kind of animals do you like? I like domestic animals such as dogs, cats. S animals, dogs, cats. I like dogs the most. How about you? How about you? How about you? I like cats. I like cats. Why do you like cats? I think cats are very clean animals. Cats are very clean animals. But unfortunately, I'm allergic to them. I'm allergic to them. I'm allergic to them. Say it 10 times. What kind of animals do you like? 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 Faster, okay? I like domestic animals. I like domestic animals such as dogs, cats. I like domestic animals such as dogs, cats. I like domestic animals such as dogs and cats. I like dogs the most. How about you? I like dogs the most. I like dogs the most. How about you? How about you? I like cats. I like cats. I like cats. I like cats. Why do you like cats? 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 I think a thing. I think a thing. A thing. Cats are very clean animals. 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 Animals. Cats are very clean animals. Cats are very clean animals. But unfortunately, I'm allergic to them. But unfortunately, I'm allergic to them. A cat, a dog, has 2 eyes, 4 legs, fur, a tail. A dog has 2 eyes. A cat has 2 eyes. A cat has 4 legs. A cat has 4 legs. A dog has fur. A dog has a tail. Fur is usually soft hair that grows on the bodies of many mammals. Fur is usually soft hair that grows on the bodies of many mammals. Some animals are hunted for its fur, sadly. Some animals are hunted for its fur. This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. A rabbit. The rabbit has white fur. The rabbit. The rabbit. The rabbit has white fur. White fur. 1 cat. 2 cats. 3 cats. 4 cats. 5 cats. 6 cats. How many cats? 1 cat. 2 cats. 1 cat. 2 cats. Cats. The cat. The cats. The cat. The cats. I like the cat. I like the cat. I like the cats. I like the cats. I like the cat. Which one? There are 3 cats. Oh, sorry. Wearing a yellow scarf. What? I can't see. Sorry. There it is. Look at the cat wearing a yellow scarf. Look at the cat wearing a yellow scarf. Good job. Well done. And until next time, you have to practice it. Promise me. Bye-bye.